That is found a way. That is found a way. That song has found a way. It's produced by Stevie Schatz. You know what I mean? One of the guys I also grew up with. And that's the thing about us. Like, my yellow team is always about like jaren lang ken. So was that thing what baie lang aankom, you know? And Stevie Schatz basically just sent me the record and he was like, bro, I feel like this is you. You know? And when I did gehoord it, I was like, yo, you know, if you cross me, that's for life. You know, pour the syrup in my cup and dim the lights, you know. Dressed in off-white as a vibe. It's basically just me telling people like, look guys, I know where I come from, I know where I want to go, but I also know my omstandighede, my situasie wat ek nou in is. Nee, maar die feit dat ek weet waartoe ek wil gaan, I guess I found a way. You know what I'm saying? So it's just basically finding your way. Je dribble net, bro. Je wordt getackeld, je is weer op. Gaan zet je savers op. We zijn je toxic is op een ander level. Eén kan is a toxic, één kan is a techie, you know? It is what it is, you know? Je komt daar. So basically that song was just an inspirational, motivational song where we're talking about finding your way as a individual. You know, in whatever you want to do. So I wanted to do something where people wouldn't just relate on the level of music. I wanted them to relate on the level of life, but still give that vibe where I don't want to let y'all be depressed. You know what I'm saying? I was like, you're down, I'm depressed. But I wanted us to listen to the song in the club and still understand where we are going, you know? That type of thing.
Every day I am baked of it. What I'm on is very potent. You are way below my radar, you need coaching.